Hi, this is Kunj Patel. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So let's start with this AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, UCS icon fixed, off. First of all, I will choose the circle center diameter command. Choose its dimension is 80 mm. I will zoom it. Again, center diameter command, choose it. Its dimension is 100 mm. Again, center diameter command, choose it. Its dimension is 130 mm. 130 mm. 130 mm. Again, line command, choose. I will draw 20 mm line. This line is move its circle center top position. Again, line command, choose. Extend the line. Extend the line. Trim command, choose. Unwanted line is trim it. Unwanted line is trim it. Trim command use. Now all the parts selected is polar command use. Polar command, center point select. Now item is 8. Unwanted line is remove it, so trim command used. Trim command used. Again, circle center diameter command, choose. Its dimension is 50 mm. Again, center diameter command, choose. Its dimension is 20 mm. Again, center radius command, choose. Its dimension is 7.5 mm. Again, radius command, choose. Center radius command, choose. Its dimension is 5 mm. Again, line command, choose. Shift right click tangent. Shift right click tangent. Again, line command, choose. Shift right click tangent. Shift right click tangent. Is draw it. Unwanted line is remove it, so trim command used. This circle is deleted. All paths selected. Now again polar command used. Base point select. Item is 5. Our drawing is completed. Now given a center line, so by layer, others, load, ISO dash, click here. OK. This circle or this circle or this circle, ISO dash line. Now our drawing is completed given the dimension. Linear dimension. Diameter. This diameter. This diameter dimension given. This diameter dimension given. This diameter dimension given. Radius given. This dimension radius. This dimension radius. All the dimensions selected. and text height. Given the text height, I am going to the properties, text height 4 mm. I will close it. Our drawing is completed. Now I will center the drawing. Pan command choose. Our drawing is completed. So thank you for watching this video.